But if you know a teacher, we know a teacher, we know a next teacher, we know a next teacher, then you'll know that they are lying. Financially freed. No, we aren't. For big raise, big things can go on, but it ain't what you thought.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her.
Hey guys, welcome, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm your girl Dominique. If you're always watching, welcome, what's up? Big up on yourself. You know, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for being here to watch another vlog of mine. So today it's not like a vlog vibe. Today we're doing a video. But you know, every time when school I got open back, you girl come out with the teacher video them. I'm not the type of person to really drop teacher related content on my channel, but however, we're doing it today. Yes, we are doing it today. Alright, so today we're going to talk about the big thing that has been trending all around Jamaica. And you know me, I have to come and give my 2 cents on this topic. So they say a lot of teacher ain't going. They say, but do you believe it? Raise your hand in the comment section if you believe that, or leave a comment down below if you believe that. Guys, that's not true. That is not true. They are just lying on the news sites. The Ministry of Education is just lying. I know you all might be saying, oh, me know that, where me get the facts from, but if you know a teacher, we know a teacher, we know a next teacher, we know a next teacher, then you'll know that they are lying. Then again, you might ask, why are teachers leaving and the big raise was just given? Like, yeah, the big raise. A lot of people talked about it. A lot of people were saying, oh, teachers not gonna wear this year and this because they got the big raise. But you guys remember those last 2 videos that I spoke about that incorporated salary when it comes down to Jamaican teachers? And remember, those videos left us in debts. We were in what? Debts. And being in debts and getting extra money and you not get too much extra, it does not mean that we are just financially freed. No, we aren't. It might just clear out some of the debts, but still in the struggle. So yeah, a lot of persons been wondering like, okay, teachers not gonna leave this year because money give out, new money depend them pay, big increase, big raise, but the raise ain't as what you all thought. You all might be thinking, oh, big raise, big things can go on, but it ain't what you thought. Nah. So basically, there is since the last spoke about the whole teacher related stuff, there has been a lot of changes. So there has been a lot of changes like the benefits we get, the money we earn. We have to be dealing with little to no resources. Guys, it's hard, and nobody wants to work in an environment where they have to be struggling, whether it's financially, mentally, physically, it doesn't matter. And being a teacher in Jamaica, you are literally struggling in all the areas that you can expect. Okay, so let's go through these areas and let's talk about them thoroughly. Now, the first thing, when I said they're basically taking out a whole heap of money out of pay. Like, you start getting less, so you start getting less what you call it now, benefits. So we used to get benefits such as book benefits, right? Clothing benefits. You used to get benefit, depends on the level that you're at. You get traveling benefits. You get benefits for so much other things that I am not aware of, all the different areas. But most of these benefits are cut off. They are cut off from the salary, and the salary is now taxed even more. So in a case where you could be earning more, you're still earning less, but you got more. If you get what I'm saying. So you're earning more, you're getting more money, but they took away all the additional benefits that you used to get. So it's a case where you could have earned more, but you're actually earning less just with that extra money. If you don't get what I said, then you will understand. Understand me? Yeah. You're required to do more, guys, with little to no resources. Let me tell you about no resources. You have to buy your own speaker. You know what? Let me just say, the school that you're in, it might depends. But let's talk about my end, right? You have to buy your own speaker. You have to provide basically everything. You basically have to provide every single thing. You will get 2 markers this term. Next term you get 2 markers. And how long does those 2 markers last for? You get 4 cartridge paper. Then you have to go buy if you want to put your class in a way where you need a lot of cartridge paper. Who's gonna provide that? You don't. I'm talking simple resources, people. Even though I'm making reference to these simple resources, you are not getting them. You understand me? You're required to do more. So it is said, you have some principle that says that, okay, you should do 8 hours, you should leave school at 4, this is whatever, but let's get to the books. It's not required for a teacher to doing 8 hours at school, right? But you have some people who I think they just want to be in your backs, they're slave drivers, and all of them look at something there. You understand me? So getting more money, but you're not getting the additional assistance that you need. So you get more money to clear the bills that you were already in debt for, but what is it there that you'll be saving? You aren't saving nothing. So they're saying a lot of teachers don't resign yet, but let's just wait until September, because September, that's where the truth is going to stick out in everyone's face. You understand me? Being a teacher in Jamaica, it's really hard. But if you are willing to try to, put your mind to it, it's hard. You want to put your mind to it. Sometimes you want to put your mind to it, but it just not work out. It can mentally kill you. But I'm just saying to say this, like, if opportunity comes your way where you feel like you need to go, then go do that. Go do you, girl. Go do what you gotta do. Don't let anybody stop you from doing what you have to do. You understand me? Don't let anything stop you from doing what you have to do. If Jamaica is a place that you feel like you cannot mentally be in to... Okay guys, so I had to change over to this device over here because my other device is giving me the rocket ship vibe, like I want to explode. Alright guys, so basically, alright, hold on. Okay guys, so yes guys, so I was saying to you that there are a lot of reasons why teachers are leaving. They're financially poor. We're not financially free. Even though it's more money, we're still struggling. People are struggling for many resources. There's reasons. There's no resources to work with. Our area environment that we are working in, that some of us are working in, it's like all the buildings that about to tumble down on us, right? All comes down to the type of people that we are working with too as well. A lot of persons find it very hard to work with certain people, and especially, I don't know why it feels like we are all working for one pay, but we're not working for one pay. We're actually working for different pays, and especially when you're young, a lot of older people think that young people don't know anything. So they kind of make it hard for you. I'm not saying that these things don't happen when you migrate to teach in other countries, but for me, I'm giving you a lot of reasons why a lot of teachers are leaving Jamaica. They are leaving for these reasons, right? When it comes down to mental freedom, let's talk about, like, for instance, I had mentioned the environment that you work in. The environment that we work in, sometimes we have to deal with a lot of things. Let's talk about some schools. The time is extremely hot now. You don't have anything to cool it down. There's no cooling system in place. It doesn't matter how hot the time is. You have to find your own resources to get your body cool or get the students cool. When students are hot, they don't function well. So that's another reason. So there are so many reasons why teachers are leaving. And I know you have people out there come and say that, oh, you think it's better Rose than leave? I don't know why people who got fired just feel like they need to tell people. When they are fired, say, oh, I'm not better Rose. So why are you still there? Talk to me. Why are you still there? You're still there, but on a bed of roses. So why are you still there? You understand me? So guys, it's not true that a lot of teachers aren't resigning. It is just something just for not the entire nation to freak out. But in Jamaica, a lot of teachers gone. Them just not resign yet. They are waiting on their August pay, and after the August pay, then that's when it will be whoops to lose. Then them letters will come in. Okay? So yeah. The more money is not a lot of money. So people still are gonna look for more money, as in more better financial happiness. You get me I say? So oh, don't listen to the noise out there where about enough teachers now leave. Enough of them are gone. Enough of them they're going. But yeah, that's my 2 cents on the topic that's going on. If you have other reasons to leave down below, feel free. If you're politically influenced and you're going to come over here, come talk about political reasons to attach to whatever was, because some people feel as if because oh, it's their party in power, and you know, oh, this and that, and people can't satisfy. A lot of people talk about, oh, teachers can't satisfy. Listen, when you're in a situation, you speak different of anything at all. So that's my 2 cents on the video. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in another vlog. Until then,